There are some days when you want to try something different from your normal routine food. For those days, this is a good recipe to try. Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are all doing great. This salad can be had as a breakfast, snack, tiffin, or as dinner. So let's move on to the recipe. For this salad, we are using canned tuna packed in water and the quantity is 170 grams. Transfer it into a strainer and using a fork, flake the tuna until fine. We will keep this aside for a while. Bring water to a boil and add 1 cup of pasta. Let it cook completely. Strain it and add this to the shredded tuna. We will make a quick mayonnaise for this. Into a small blender jar, add 1 egg, a clove of garlic and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Here I am using apple cider vinegar. Along with some salt. First, blend these ingredients well. Now, add oil in batches and blend well until the required consistency is achieved. Here, I have used sunflower oil and in 2 batches I got the required consistency. This is a basic mayonnaise. We will make masala mayonnaise for this recipe. Into a bowl, add 1/4 of a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon of coriander powder. Here I am measuring it as half of 1/4 of a teaspoon. 1/8 of a teaspoon of jeera powder. 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper powder. You may avoid it if you don't like it spicy. 1/8 of a teaspoon of chaat masala. 1/8 of a teaspoon of chicken masala or garam masala. Mix all these ingredients well and add it to the basic mayonnaise that we have prepared. Now blend all of this together and our masala mayonnaise is ready. To this mix, you may add any finely chopped vegetables as per your preference. Here I am adding finely chopped onion and cucumber. Tomatoes may also be added. Into this goes our previously prepared mayonnaise. Here I have used the entire mayonnaise that we have prepared. You may use half mayonnaise and half curd instead. Finish it with some finely chopped coriander leaves. This is the one that I prepared earlier without pasta and with tomatoes. So hope you like this video. See you soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.